Okay, everybody's doing YouTube toolbox tours, so I just thought maybe I would just do one just because everybody does it. So here's the greatest toolbox tour you ever saw. Here's my toolbox. It's red. I have this. Oh, don't know what that is, but there's another one, and I don't ever use it. These are neat. That's an action. Makes a sound. See? Okay, there's a, looks like it's probably a screwdriver. This is chrome and rust, and it has a numbers on there. There's my bicycle, goes backwards and up the hill. This one is look around. This is 19. This, I don't know if you can see it. 19. There's one of those. It's some kind of gun. You shoot it. It's assault. Something. Okay, there's 11. There's 11. I have that, and it's gold. It's a little different. There's a big rusty thing. There's another one of these. There must be like a family, like the three bears. This is a baby bear. Whoa, I don't even. That looks pretty scary. Okay, this says Western Auto. So that must have come from California. There's one of these. That goes with that other one. Right there. Plarz. P-L-A-R-Z. Plarz. There's one with, that must be for when it's cold, because it has a handle, you know, insulation. Here's a thing. Okay, this one. Whoa. I think that's like granddaddy. I don't ever use any of this, but looks like that's the same as that. Probably like it's like that too. And then there's one of these that's bigger or longer. There's one that's kind of the same. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my YouTube toolbox tour, because I just felt like I was obligated. Now I have to try to fit all of that back into there. So maybe I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.